Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to look at an exciting chess game played between Alexander Alekhine and Grigory Levenfish. This game was played in 1912. This masterpiece highlights Alekhine's brilliance and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. The game starts with the move pawn to d4. Black responds with pawn to c5. Alekhine plays pawn to d5, gaining space in the center. Black develops his knight to f6 and white plays knight to c3, preparing the move pawn to e4. Black plays pawn to d6 to open up his light squared bishop. White continues with pawn to e4 and black plays pawn to g6, preparing to fianchetto the dark square bishop. White follows up with pawn to f4, threatening pawn to e5. Black responds with knight b2 d7. White develops with knight to f3, renewing the trick of pawn to e5. Black cannot play bishop to g7 because after pawn to e5, attacking the knight d takes e5, f takes e5, knight to g4, pawn to e6, knight d to e5, and bishop to b5 check. Black is forced to move the king and lose the castling right. So, in the game, black plays pawn to s6. White continues with pawn to e5 and after d takes e5, f takes e5, knight to g4, white plays pawn to e6. Black responds with knight d to e5. White continues with bishop to f4, attacking the knight. At this point, white could also play pawn to h3. After knight takes f3, queen takes f3, knight to f6, e takes f7 check. King takes f7 and bishop to c4. White gains an advantage. Continuing the game, black plays knight takes f3 check. If white captures the knight with the queen, black can respond with f takes e6 and after queen takes g4, pawn to e5 regains the piece. So, Alekhine takes with the pawn, g takes f3. Black plays knight to f6 and Alekhine continues with bishop to c4. Note that black cannot play pawn to b5 here because of knight takes b5, a takes b5, bishop takes b5 check, and white regains the piece with interest. In the game, black plays f takes e6 and white responds with d takes e6. Black plays queen to b6, attacking two pawns. Alekhine plays queen to e2 and black takes the pawn on b2, attacking both the rook and the knight. This is the critical moment of the game. In this position, Alekhine plays a brilliant move. You may pause the video and try to figure it out yourself. Ready? Alekhine plays knight to b5, sacrificing the rook. After queen takes a1 check, Alekhine plays king to f2, sacrificing the other rook. After black plays queen takes h1, Alekhine delivers knight to c7 check. King to d8 is the only move, and Alekhine follows with queen to d2 check. Black blocks with bishop to d7 and white plays e takes d7, threatening knight to e6 checkmate. If black plays knight takes d7, then bishop to e6, leaves black with no defense against queen to d7, leading to checkmate. If black plays pawn to e5, creating an escape square for the king, white delivers knight to e6 check. King to e7, pawn promotes to a queen. And after rook takes d8, queen takes d8 check. King to f7, knight takes f8 check. King to g7, and queen to e7 is a checkmate. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share. For more exciting games by Alekhine, check out the playlist. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you won't miss future videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.